Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with a how to style and do a half up half down hairstyle on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Alipearl. I have Alipearl linked in the description box below, as well as the direct link to this unit. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well, sis, hit that notification bell because I post weekly. So yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, sis, so again, I received this unit from alipearl.com, and it came in this box right here. So opening up the box, we have a little edge band or whatever you want to call it, and girl, it's big enough for my big old head. We have a hair care card. It has the instructions on the back. We as well have a wig cap, and then just a bag to put the unit in after you're done with it. And then girl, here is the unit. I'm gonna put in the corner what the unit looks like when I first got it versus what it looks like now, because I did pre-bleach the knots and pre-plucked it. So yeah, that's why it's looking like this, but it actually came in a very pretty curl pattern. I kind of have the curl pattern right here, so you can kind of see it was like a Shirley Temple curl. Very pretty, you guys. But of course I had to bleach the knots, so that's why it looks like this, but it's still a pretty pattern, and you already know we're gonna do it up. So yes, sis. So this, I want to say, is their 13x4 deep curly unit, but again, you guys already know I'm gonna have the details once we jump further into the video. This is what the space is looking like. Very spacious. I'm very happy that you do have parting space room on the side. So yeah, it looks really good, you guys. It has two combs, one on either side right here, as well as a comb at the bottom along with adjustable straps. So girl, so far so good. We're looking really good. It's feeling really thick, and again, you guys, the curl pattern is so pretty. I cannot wait to put her on, so let's go. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace. I'm using my leg spray. You guys can use your lace tint or whatever it is that you would like. And yeah, I'm just spraying it, and then I'm going to seal it in using my blow dryer. And then after I seal it in using the blow dryer, sis, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on and get it situated. To lay my wig down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then use my blow dryer to seal it in. Now I'm going to go in using some powder to tint my lace better, and I'll be using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to go all along the hairline, and then I'm going to use some more Gossipy Glue Freeze Spray and spray that along the hairline as well, and this just creates a better melt. Now I'm going to start styling the unit, and as you guys already know, I'm going to do an up down hairstyle. So I'm just parting the sides and getting everything situated, and after I part the sides, I'm going to go in using my hot comb to better flatten out the parts. So since my camera stopped working and it cut off the last part of me flattening out the parts, so forgive me. But yeah, so now I'm just going in and pulling out some baby hairs, and after I pull out the baby hairs, I'm going to put the band around it. To style my ponytail, I'll be using some Gossipy Glue Freeze Spray, and I'm just going to spray the ponytail and then go in with my hot comb. If you guys want to use a wax stick or whatever you would like to use, go ahead and do that, but I think the Gossipy Glue Freeze Spray works really well. Now I'm adding some mousse on top just to lay all the flyaways down, and then I'm going to put it in a ponytail. Now I'm going to take a piece from the back of the ponytail and use that to wrap around the ponytail, just to make the ponytail seamless. You don't have to do this step, but I think it makes the ponytail look a lot better. So yeah, I'm just going to take that and wrap around, and then I'm going to spray some Gossipy Glue Freeze Spray as well to hold that piece down, and then just keep wrapping. So I wanted to mimic the curl pattern that the unit came in, so I'll be using my wand curler, and I'm just going to begin wand curling the hair. And since while curling the hair, I didn't put any product on it, I didn't use any holding spray or anything like that. If you guys want to, you can. I chose not to because I didn't want my curls crunchy, but without the holding spray, the curls held really good. So now I'm just going to tighten up the front, and I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue Free Spray for the sides and use my hot comb just to, you know, just make it look a little bit better. So now for these baby hairs, I'm going for something just really simple. So I'm gonna cut it and then curl it with my little flat iron, and then after that use my Got To Be Glue Free Spray and just swoop them over. So sis, we are basically done. All I'm doing now is just going in with my Fructis Sleek Serum, and I'm just going to put that in my hand and rub it all throughout the curls and just loosen the curls up. Here is what we are looking like, and sis, girl, get into the hairstyle. The hair turned out very bomb. I think I did a really good job, if I must say so myself. I think it looks really good. And y'all, this is only like my third time doing this hairstyle. My first time doing it on a short wig, and I've been wanting to do it ever since I saw this TikToker do it. I'm like, girl, that's cute. So she was really my inspiration, and I wish I could find her video so I could show you guys the look that I was going for. But sis, I think it turned out so good, and yes, your girl is in love. So let me turn around to give you like the whole 360. Okay sis, so that was the back, sis. So yeah, let me go ahead and pull this up to give you the details. Again, this is from Alipearl.com. This is their short bob loose deep wave lace frontal wig. It's 180% density. I think, well no, it is 16 inches. It says it's Swiss lace, natural black hair color. And yeah, that's really about it. Oh, and it's a 13 by 4 frontal. So yes, sis, that is the details on the website. And girl, let's just, oh, hold on. And it is a large cap size. Almost forgot about that. So yeah, let's get into the details. So it is a big head friendly unit because I got a large cap size. So I do recommend us big head ladies, if your head is as big as mine, to get the large cap size because it fits really good. Sometimes when I've ordered in the past, not with this company, but just large cap sizes period, they do come a little big, and this one fits really perfect, like perfect, sis. So a large cap size was perfect for my head. The texture of this unit, y'all, the texture is just really silky, smooth. You can run your fingers straight through it. I didn't receive any tangling. I haven't received any shedding. Even with bleaching the knots and co-washing it, I didn't receive any shedding. So that is a plus. So it is some really good quality hair. The ends came non-frizzy. I didn't have to trim it or anything like that. And it is a bob unit. It already has like the little bob cut going on. Like, girl, it's just really cute. And the 180% density actually feels like it's 200%, just because it is really full, maybe because of the curls. And I did try to keep the same curl pattern that the wig came in. As I showed you guys previously, the wig came with like these Shirley Temple curls, so I was trying to keep that look. And sis, I think it turned out really good. As far as the lace, y'all, the lace is bomb, sis. The lace melted so good. And at first I didn't know if it was gonna melt right, just because after I cut it, it was like a little bit fair. The lace was, you know, just a little lighter, but sis, it melted so good. Get into the melt. I think it looks really good, y'all. And I did off camera go back in and add some powder to the hairline, and girl, it's just like, just get into it. Like, you can see it looks really good. At least I think it looks really good. And I'm proud of myself, sis, because this is like my third time doing a half up, half down hairstyle, and I'm just getting better each time. And I only wanted to do just like a little bit of baby hairs just because I was going for simplicity, and I think it turned out cute. I may add some little sideburns later on, but I did right because I didn't add no sideburns just because I didn't think you would see it because of the ponytail coming like this. But I'll probably go in and add some just in case the wind blows or whatever. But yeah, girl, it turned out really good. I'll link this unit down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you, sis, in my next video. Bye.